The very first step is going to be getting into the program, and you have to qualify this exam. So if you don't have the main IITM DAD program link, that is in the description. And if you don't know anything about the program, you can watch all you need to know about this program in my video section and in the I button. So let's go to the what is the qualify exam for the direct entry diploma in data science. Well, if you are able to qualify for the data science, you are eligible to join in diploma in programming for actually without giving any exam. If you wish to join the exam, actually if you wish to get the diploma in programming as well after you get the diploma in data science. So we are going to talk about diploma in data science first. Let's check out what's the syllabus. So the very first step is you to understand what the entire syllabus is. So the very first thing is English, then there is programming in Python, then there is mathematics, and then there is statistics. Let me tell you, please come to this page and click here. Now these are the most important documents you're gonna need for the next 1 month. First is the syllabus doc, which is available, and next is the mock question paper. If you think this mock question paper is exactly the same pattern as your question paper is gonna look like, trust me, these mock paper are exactly the way I gave my paper. The type of questions are actually exactly the similar, and the format is also the similar way. So you have to actually understand the syllabus first, then go to the mock paper. What I suggest is please give the mock paper before anything. Don't think about preparation or anything. Give the mock paper. Give the English mock paper, give the Python mock paper, give the mathematics mock paper, and give the statistics mock paper. If you are someone with any background, if you are just someone who graduated, because most of the students that is joining direct entry diploma program are someone who are in the last year of their college or already graduated. So I do expect you to actually do decent in their exam. And if you're someone who is graduated years ago and you just want to get into data science and you're joining this program, even then I suggest anyone with any background should actually give this exam first. Give the mock paper. Don't check your score, just give it. Just take take a rough idea of how the exam is going to be. What is my level right now? So give this exam, and basis of whatever the result is, like check what answers are correct or wrong. Like whatever the result is, let's go into preparation one by one, subject wise. For English, the syllabus is actually pretty simple. You're going to have some comprehension and some basic level listening question. Like listening question is actually not like it is deducted from the syllabus, but yes, there are going to be some grammar questions. And passing this English paper is actually piece of cake for anyone. There is no complicated question. Most question you will pass without even trying. Okay, so don't worry about the English. If you're really worried, just give one mock paper. If you are worried more, you can give more mock paper here. We will talk about this website and all the way you can use this to do your best in your exam. We'll talk about this later. Let's come back to the next. So Python in programming. So though most questions are not going to be theoretical. What I mean is, most question is not going to be about tell me this function about in Python, tell me this module in Python, or what is this function name, or what does this function do. No, most question is going to be about output, your logical sensing in Python, not in Python, your logical sensing, and your knowledge about code, if else conditions and loops, your knowledge about while loop, do while loop, all this will be judged, not your coding skill in here. Let's come to some random question. Let's say you will be given a code snippet, and what will be expected of you to tell what could be the output, what is the correct output of one. And what you have to do is iterate toward the code, like iterate, go one by one, iterate this code, and then you have to decide what output is the correct output. You won't be provided with any system to actually write this code on and check output. You have to do this in your brain, and you have to actually so you're tested on your knowledge of like logical reasoning, and all this thing is more tested here in Python, and not your coding skills actually. Mostly you're tested on how well you understand the code. So for this you can actually, like, there are video playlists for everything, like maths, stats, and Python, but I don't suggest to do this for 1 month. You're gonna be completely lost because these playlists are really long, 17 hours, 20 hours of content, and most of the question in mathematics and statistics are going to come from the last week. And I repeat, most of the questions are going to come from the last week. It's really important that you understand the syllabus. So from the syllabus doc, you have to understand that these last weeks are more important. The more questions are going to come from, like, let's say permutation and probability, and you're going to say maps and all. So you have to understand that most questions will come from the last weeks, and the way video lectures are, when you start video lectures, you're going to watch the starting like 26 hours. You can't complete this. So if you watch these lectures are very basic and very boring and very long. So if you don't come back to the syllabus, if there is a topic you don't understand, only go watch their lecture only. Then solve more question. It's really important you to solve and practice more question than actually watching videos. Like if there any topic you're not familiar with, and you have no idea what is this expectance, or what is this variance, or what is this random variable, or what is this anything, if there is anything you don't understand, go to the lecture, go to that week and study that week only. Don't actually start from the zero and go to the end. First, do the mock paper. Second, go to the syllabus, check what are the things you don't understand. Mostly focus on the last week, things you don't understand from week 8 to week 12. Please focus on these weeks, the end weeks. Please see what topics are unfamiliar, watch their lecture. In both, focus on maths and statistics more, because Python is something that is very easy. You don't have to study a lot of Python. There is only 5 weeks that is going to come, not entire syllabus. Most focus should be on mathematics and statistics. After you're done with understanding what subjects you're weak at, what topics you're weak at, and you watch the lectures, now is the time to go to practice. Now, I repeat again, go do the mock, then check the syllabus you don't understand, come practice. How to practice? What is this website? This is Quick Space Practice. This website have all the PYQs for every subject in IITM BS. So most students of IITM BS use this website to practice their subject grip. But for you guys, you have to come and select practice and term quiz. When you come and select practice and term quiz, you have to come and select your course. Let's say we go to stats. Now don't go maths 2 and stats 2. The subject that are going to come is maths 1 and stats 1. Let's select maths 1. Then you're going to go to all. Now select any paper from this and just start taking the test. Don't worry about your scores. You have to score only 50%. If you are able to score 60 or 70% marks, you're good to go. Try these questions. See the topics you mess up. Go to back to the syllabus. See what week it was. Then come back to the video and watch that video only. Don't watch entire course. It's too big. It's too boring and it's too big. If there's someone who is graduating right now, it will be a piece of cake for you to qualify this exam. And if you want to brush up your topics, just give this exams. 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4 exams are there. Come here, select your course, and then give the exam. I hope this gives you some idea about what the paper is going to about and how you can qualify. If there is any more doubt you have, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and all the links for this diploma and qualify, and some few more links about this programming in Python are available in the description. Also, don't worry, you will be getting live session classes from IITM BS officially just before the exam. And it's really important that you attend this revision classes. If you are someone who want to have a sneak peek into this, you can search here live session or revision session for Python, maths or stats. You can get those sessions for free also, but I suggest you attend your session that will be assigned to you. Watch that session carefully, and whatever the teacher says and practice questions they give, please do that, and you will be easily get into the program.